for your momo akwaba bio edeba Ghana nsensem so na se dia munyina munim no media ne lapigi obetimi afra mi show business ninja man me producer ba kope ene Richie Flex na me senior cameraman currency the guitar rasta epeyin kese a otaichi Sammy Flex na ene no nsensem no ye best start if social issues na social issue no e hono ye de ambulance nsensem no na ebe start e kam here say ambulance na abano aye 275 ambulances na o mampeni akra de abano so be release so kra so adane asem day in and day out nipa hwere o nkwa e wo ye kwantempo no so na senya Cape Coast kwan so accident this year nipa ahwere o nkwa ebi prepra na mpo nkomo mo prepra mpo anka ambulance ebe rashe akoho akosave ebinim life because obi wo ha moja na etu no enti say bi onya car na rashe in term de ni do hospital bibia be fine but ambulance ni do ho ntema na say oye late to go to the hospital na say moja ni nyu na so nim say moja so de no ana e manipa life enti say moja no enu ana o shorti moja na eno etimi kum nipa no na ambulance here dey abai eno eye for one constituency no say constituency no mo say 275 nti ni nyina no na te say constituency bi abako ba me baako no kra for one constituency ni kra no ensu mpo but o de yemfa no say aba mo release azin so emma oman no so ni njusu so eno so adane asem mete say nka say omampanyi ba be release na Ministry of Health so assign letter e de ama omampanyi say on holding on omo pa ne chew omo person mo postpone for them and like me ase ambulance ni so oman sika na ye de toy oman sika yin so taxpayers nti aden nye nipa ba ku sika aden na ye oman ne den mpanyifo ne den so mbe release ambulance no ama agili pankwa because I don't understand. The picture be betre mo a picture no ambulance I wo say no for baby because eno normal trust Zogu community ambulance na tricycle tricycle na nipa no omode ni betum na te say omode na call hospital na say afre emergency eno ne ba kofa nipa na ba na eno no speed ahin na betimi akọ at the same time heat ebe won because assuming say be nipa no onidi some special treatment be for the person to feel comfortable and sana omode ne do ha heat cry ebe was hard anymore because no for no so no heat wo and we all know that adenti na mpanyifo ntimi ntutu nyama ntentem no mutimi save nipa life sisi like on my penny aye odin any health for no so aye omodin say on be release ambulance sisi azumi say oman ni nyina ewu a wan na okọ governor oman ni nyina eni wa wan na obe lead no wan na beti tax ama wo man penny ni kran so wenya aketia because so nim say taxpayers money so eno na ema wa aketia nti sie nyina aye nye available ni nyina yewu ni eni wa obe de ebu oman no unko outimo ebe yode so why don't you make things comfortable for the society and I say the country that we live in ambulance amu be releasing so and also adane asem omampanyi yesrew pan yenim se bibia de obetimi ayi bibia wo man yi mu ye pa chow release ambulance no na save life because obi o ha we practice so timi do hospital ho on time ye betimi save ne life omampanyi ye pa chow ya pa chopa ena ye the ambulance na omode aba no so no picture no ya na o de ato ha mo fato ho mo no omonhwe ya da mo ase ye to aso ye free wa ye bohwi ye ko coded musician coded ono no owo 4x4 group nim sisi aminim say 4x4 wu say wu you because Captain Planet or the need to Captain Planet no the 4x4 account coded and so coded 4x4 Prince and so 4x4 na coded akoka asem bi a chese eyi obi anwanwa coded ne kwakumenu have interview bi na Kwakumenu bi say say Bible any oba oba to as in a shape like the ass of a woman, the buttocks of a woman. Bible ne oba buttocks there na coded obefa. Coded tina hodi no sere kakra. Chese ono na dum no nim ne obeka onim se de obeka no. Emfa kwanso. But oye generous. Emfa kwanso mum because for you to choose a woman's buttocks over Bible no as a Christian no emfa kwemu but why waka no kre because the member mum dey na sometimes most often the member no me nka say most often the member bia o be me bia peto nti na when the shaker say be me bia pehwe ye bisa be me say Bible ni obato dey na obefa straight away code say obefa obato ye code obefa obato eja Bible waka no kre mum na Kwakumenu say dia waka no kre na akwapa no kwafo Nyankopon e de wo be ko heaven because waka no kre wan nyem oturo mojo won ba me de me nwanwan na de me sere so say asem o kan ayi enso ne nyunyum a o de aba foforo no different embuebra kra because ne nyum o de aba foforo no ye gospel what title no hand of God ena ye bisa ne say Bible any obato ne na obefa no say obefa obato inti gode wo de adwin di agro na say emudian attention keke na ope ana say emudian but attention no so at least we nya because me kan ho asem obi foforo so be kan ho asem video no so go viral inti ne nyum no hand of God ena o choose Bible o choose obato over Bible enye hwe we nipa moja edi ni mu efusani or feelings inti dia na koma e ka kire no eno na o choose ye
inti uji Bible di the Bible did very well.
And the infant said Bible, any tour, at the home, my dear Nabi.
But Bible in the bay
or bar to
okay.
Any Bible near Moody and Nabi. I don't answer. Bible. The only car first and I saw the patron. A trona never because of one year, Papa. Say, you're meeting how to go heavy street because we are Quapano Quaffo. One changing is simple, Mamma, and to someone a trona. When did you throw hold of that day?
Inti yemfa enu entwere ho ba ne nwum no so ede inti wetimi akwa akohwe na wetimi ye ko wandihye nso ase ya wandihye abe posti bibi ewo Instagram say we lose big time contract, big time deal. Yes, some foreign alcoholic beverage company bia omo ba say nka omo ne no ebe sign deal a obe ye advert amom just on obe headline omo bibia but as FDA so enyomo de aden a who say when the say influential personality our mind mu na nkrofo bebre look up to her we hear girls na ba ni bebre a omo look up to her yes small girl we be ka say when the shape open asem pa open when the shape asem and when the so shape fine and it in kwala no ehwe when the shape as in omo model and I say omo idol and I say omo mentor na I don't know say mekai Kwame Jokoto say no otaye insan advert man ba hwe recent no onye bio as a FDA man warning says I dey no njai because ono so influential personality owo oman ni mu intisisi ano wo ye influential person na untimi nye alcoholic advert untimi nye oya ye de obekọ court inti ama wendihye o say ne thousands of dollars e was saying ka onye from sa alcoholic beverage company ahwere no eno ode abeto Instagram o like o twa dwadwo se bibi kakra obenya apodwe no so no FDA so agye finisem FDA so amane warning nti ontimi nye yankɔhwɛ omutu no omu images na omu de baaye no yenhwɛ when di share tweet no ni Instagram post no ene FDA nso letter no ye de beto ho na mahwe nti monhwɛ ye basisi a ye to aso a ye kɔ Tamale na Tamale na asem kese bi esi wo ho no mo na me asem no kra me nwanwa say a whole journalist a whole radio presenter went me and recognize it say obi a fake from the original personality obi about studio say oye teni went me and differentiate between the original teni and the fake teni and o granting nipa an interview ema a famous successful and I was sending me trap picture. Does it mean say ono journalist na as ono presenter no nim na ejuma on TV or like on ni social media so ana minti ase me dwen wa minti ase oni nipa na ye interview e na wasan ni na twa picture e na nipa no oba no gina omu finfin e na mema tu kentika mienu mu gina omu nchen na omu ni twa picture na ana wo hwe teni any the fake one no any the new one like the original one na difference ne so we o hen chebi a wahya ase wabokon row say dreadlocks so say rasta so but original teni ni so ne hair ne short ne de ne kosi atade ni bi ase afro type ni bi e na no opɛ sa durak your friend is simple me refi edin we Tupac e was some we bi a durak bi obo won ono teni ni type bossa durak ni bi pa ba lady we ono no wahye normal cape e na dreadlock ohwe ne che ni chi say a dreadlocks wabo ni tino ya wa lucky but all aside all this no mo ehun difference no say teni kra wo kala kakra e che lady we a ye ka na asemi bacho picture no ye be split ya to ho no na mahwe ye de lady fake one no beto teni ni so beto ho na mo ye assessment na hwe difference ne so me well just journalist na say on your research oni medjuma no so wo because me nim say radio presenter bi at least nipa ne beba o studio for an interviewer obeye ne ho enquiries kakra say ne be obehu questions abebisa no so wa hwe ne updates the last time or ye post any the ni one upcoming project obeye ni nyina ni pictures awetwitwa say ne be obenya bibia aka fa ne ho questions abebisa no but I don't know someone here we nyina no mu say nipa no still na they granted her the interview aw mo bisa no question bia nti ye the picture no so eto amamahwe dia etato on kra no we adisua kese pa we outside Ghana Sierra Leone ye ko because of say no so African country ni mutina ye de no so aka ho na we adisua kese pa e de maye no ma ya adwemu da ho ayesi ye oman bapa enche na ye chi konfo a dia ye ya ne say ye bebo no dia ya ne say ebia ye be hye no won but we see who say no matter what anipa no ewi akra no faneko police station ne hu say oman no there are laws a govern oman no law bi eni wa che ochi konfo a e wo say obono ekunu ana say wo say o hye no law ni say Fanebra station now so Ghana has say there are some certain areas ye che kronfo a na ya bono to the extent say yitimi kunu kra ebi wo kra mutimi de ni hyema ho mu na che say ye hu ni chi akwan bi men kai amanfo ya o se be kai ye recent men ka say recent ye soje ni ya tokwa bi gidigidi bi na krofo even so your krofo kra mo chine Faniko station susu ampa ase ampa o de onye sojani na o krofo a mo abuno mo kunu e na munya ade na owi aye no emba back waku na asa we hwe nipa mo jegu won enti adesuade a ye ba besua sisi a ne se me hwe video bi na sa video no e kan makoma pa e na me se me ne mo ba beche okronfo bodanfo e na wachi ne yonko bodanfo e na odi ni ko police station e na obi bisa ne se aden na wachi ne yonko bodanfo odi ne ko he e na o see o wabewia ne radio madman arrested a colleague madman took him to the police station for a reason being that we hear the radio it is a bodanfo enya adwen say odi ne yonko bodanfo ko police station say we hear the radio aden na yen no mu a ya adwen mu da ho no ya yen hunu sa say ye chi fine wabewia me phone machi no machina enye police station e wo say me dey ko say okay wabewia me phone ba na mabuno na mekunu mebuno na mekunu phone no emba back mesanti sika foforo akoye den akọ to phone no mekunu keke asan ba bodanfo we hu nyansa echi ne yonko bodanfo no de ne call police station say we ran the radio inti no de ne call na yemfa ne ntu inti we won say bodanfo na say o nyansa say ye no mu bebre ya adwemu da ho a ye chi bodanfo ye chi kronfo a na ho na ya bunu ni ekunu ye chi na ne de na to man ho mu ye chi na ni chese ye na ayayade eya mumma yensia ade kakra se bodanfo mpu kire yen no mu a ya adwemu da ho se wo se ye chi kronfo a ye de ko police station na ene wo se mum ye hwe sa asembo ni e ka ne yi video no ye de to ho ama mo hwe
not been a video. But senior man, I said, what do you? A thief what? A thief you radio. Now you come in on only one side. This is not what they happen right now at Calvato, me people them. Graceman, I arresting company Graceman. I say a thief in radio. What mean Grace? Totally Grace. Now police station they go to. People that will feel say they get sense, they're not going to go according to the law. This is a very amusing thing what happened today. Graceman writes at Calvato. Now they go to company Graceman at police station. They go to them. It's a thief in radio. Amazing thing. The one that will feel say they get sense. When we say they're not sober-minded people, they no one respect the law. This is very amusing. This is very amazing. See, then a very big story. Graceman, arresting company Graceman, I say a thief, a count and right now station. Why is people that will feel say they're smart and get sense, the law abiding, then they do this. Very amazing, very interesting story today. Right at Calvaton police station. Look at the goats and at the police station. They arrest them. They say a thief in radio. Very
yo yadamwase se monya bre na mahwe saa dwumedie mediane lapigi me na medi dwumedie ho tiame Ghana nsensem so ni me producer bako ene Richie Flex senior cameraman digital rasta currency epenyin kese pa Sam Flex ono na o sponsor sa dwumedie mani nyina peyo yadamwase se monya bre na mahwe dwumedie dasene yebesen ehia bio mitu chema mo